we have some breaking news coming in at the start. The DCGI has now given the approval for the import of Moderna COVID vaccine in India. Now, certainly a massive boost coming in for India's vaccination drive, where the DCGI has given its approval for the import of the Moderna COVID vaccine in India. Let me go across to my colleague Madhurima, who's also joining us over the phone line. Yes, Madhurima, after much speculation and anticipation, the DCGI has given its approval for the import of the Moderna COVID vaccine in India. Please share more.
Well, absolutely. Moderna finally will be making its route in our country, and this will definitely augment the entire vaccination process. We know that the government has set a target of inoculating its all-adult population by the end of 2021. And in that process only, as we remember, that the Drug Controller Children of India had already given permission that all these vaccine candidates who have been given permission by the regulatory authorities in their specific countries can be brought in for emergency use, and which is why Moderna has been given import permission, and in 2 doses it will work for people above age of 18 years. This will be done, and then following the import permission, it will be in coming months that Moderna will make its en-route. Cipla will be doing the marketing of Moderna and will be selling it across the country. We'll have to now wait and watch as to how soon the entire process that is needed to bring the Moderna vaccine onto the Indian markets is finished. However, it's a positive news that Moderna has been given the permission, import permission by the Indian authorities, and soon one more vaccine candidate to be chosen, to be selected for the people of our country we have. And like I said, it will be administered in 2 doses for people above 18 years and older. Back to you.
Right. All right, let me go across to Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, who's also joining us over the phone line. So certainly a massive boost coming in for India's vaccination drive. Now, Moderna COVID vaccine will soon reach India. DCGI has given its approval for the import for the same.
This is excellent news. Undoubtedly, the clinical results, clinical efficacy and effectiveness of the mRNA vaccine Moderna, which is 1273 number, is excellent. They've shown an efficacy of more than 95%. Even against the Delta strain, they're showing a holding efficacy of more than 81 to 85%. They're also shown to be very effective in pregnancy and with excellent protection to the unborn fetus, also to children below the age of 18 going up to the age of 5. So we need more number of platforms in India. We need more number of vaccines, just gauging by the sheer mass of the Indian population. So this will give a huge boost to our vaccine drive, and I'm pretty much sure that by end of December we will reach the magical figure of 180 to 190 crore injections. We need to touch a figure of 1 crore per day going forward till end of this year. But this is excellent news.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, for getting us that update and that perspective. Certainly a big boost coming in for India's vaccination drive. The DCGI has now given its approval for the import of the Moderna vaccine in the country.